In this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how you can use the blend along path effect in CorelDRAW, and the example I'll be using for this demonstration is the stitching going along the seam of a baseball. First thing I'm going to create is a single object to be used as the red stitching on the baseball. So let me grab my rectangle tool and I'm going to create an elongated rectangle, and with shape tool round the corners all the way, so that we end up with a shape like this. Now I'll use envelope tool to bend the shape. Then rotate it around with hold Ctrl key, rotate it around like that. Duplicate and flip it horizontally. Now drag it over here. Select both and weld them together. Now create the black circle that going underneath the stitching, where the stitching goes into the baseball, so grab ellipse tool, click and drag to draw an ellipse. Duplicate and flip horizontally. Fill with black. Use color eyedropper to fill the stitch with red. Bring it to front. Select all and group. Now I'm going to create the path that the stitches are going to go along, so it would be this rounded shape. It's sort of like a light bulb shape. To create that I'm going to grab my ellipse tool, hold Ctrl and click and drag to draw a circle. Duplicate and snap at the bottom. And then take those and duplicate them again and snap these over here. Now with virtual segment delete tool. Delete this line. Use Smart Fill to create new shape here. Rotate the new shape and remove fill. Now with shape tool select top nodes and break curve. So this is the path that we're apply blend along path effect to. Create a copy from this group. Use blend tool to blend them together. Select new path and click that path. Select blend along full path and rotate all objects. Now make the stitch smaller. Blend made it go in a different direction, so rotate this around. Increase the number of stitches. Now that looks good. As you can see, just like that, we used the blend along path in CorelDRAW to create this stitching along the seams of a baseball. Grab the ellipse tool, click and drag to draw circle. Now get rid of all of the stuff that goes outside of this circle. Select the circle and fill with color. Send it to back. Group all inside objects. Now to finish up the rest of the design, just duplicate the circle with different sizes and colors. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.